if you want to avoid the craziness of cycling through here, the alternative is to take this cycle path lane and cycle along the two-way cycle path. Now, it's not clear if I can join this crossing legally at any point, or do I wait until lights change? It's a very unusual setup. But I could get up on the footpath back there on the other side and join it there. And this way, at least if you're going towards Dame Street, you avoid the tracks. But I'm not too fond of this ending here. It's only a single lane to cross, which should be manageable, especially the speeds here most of the time. But you could have made it a little bit better, and on this side it's more than 3 lanes, but often you can get a gap. And that's it, how to avoid the tracks if you're going towards Dame Street.